I'm sorry, but my gum.
Hey, bro, go ahead with that shit, bro. Go ahead, man. Gotta tell her to spit the gum out, son. She in the fucking back.
Go back and all you hear is me chewing.
Chewing the fucking gum, yo.
Sorry.
You recording, though, man?
Yeah.
Alright, what's up, man? See, I got Blue with me, man. We shooting some content, trying to get some snow effects, you know what I'm saying? DC, we don't get a lot of snow, but when we do, we gotta take advantage of it, man.
Well, let me show them, because I don't think they know for real. This the motherfucking Arctic. Everything covered. Just an hour ago, C Street wasn't even covered.
You in me? Shit, unchy now. Like, shit really unchy, bro. You recording already, Blue? Yeah. Alright, so ask me one of them questions again. Ask me like, so what's the goal and that shit? Yeah, ask me that. I don't think you asked me that
So what'd you say would be your goal in this shit, bro?
Like, my goal in that shit is to really inform the masses. Like, I don't need a like a following of, you know what I'm saying? Let's just use, for example, a Gucci, Louis, one of them high-end brands, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need that following, you know what I mean? Hold, let's start off. You dropping your gun and shit, man. You definitely do, you going hard.
What would you say is your goal in this shit?
Bro, my goal is to get a small following of people, really, you know what I'm saying? And go from there. I feel like, let's compare it to the Black Panthers, you know what I'm saying? They were a big organization, but like looking in, from the outside looking in, the shit wasn't, you know what I'm saying, like worldwide for real. It was a small group of people who came together and they grew over the years. Like, ideally, that's what I want to do, you know what I'm saying? It could be 100 people at first, go to 200, 300, however many, you know what I'm saying, compared to brands who may got a following of 1 million, you know what I'm saying? It depends on like what your following is doing. I want you could say like a street drop. Like, I want my people to be pure to the point where I don't need 1 million followers. Like, my following is so pure. They follow like the word of consumptions, stand up on their healthy shit, stand up on, you know what I'm saying, shit that I talk about through the brand, and that's their everyday life. You know what I'm saying? Like, when they put my clothes on, they know, okay, the damn consuming wisely. Even when they take the shit off, like, that's just a part of their lifestyle now, you know what I mean? So, ideally, again, I don't need a crazy following of people to, you know what I'm saying, oh, I need the next hoodie, I need this, like I said in the Nias clip. I want it to be more so about informing the people of the consumptions and how important that shit plays, like, how that shit play a part in your life, you know what I mean? Like, your mental consumptions, your actual physical consumptions, your sexual, your social media consumptions, all that shit plays a detrimental part in your life. And again, for me to get a small group of people in the move, like tacking the move, you know what I mean? Like, that's all I need, bro. Compare that shit to the Black Panthers, man. Rest in peace, Huey Newton, man. We need a Huey P. Newton day, man. We need a Jeff Ford day. We need a Fred Hampton day. We need all that shit, you know what I mean? Like, that's where I get my motivation from. Like, shout out to Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, all of them, you know what I mean? But it's people that really was a part of the revolution like that you don't really hear about, because they don't got a quote-unquote day, you know what I mean? That shit Bush. My brand, like I said, don't gotta be popularized. It don't gotta be the most popular brand. It don't gotta sell the most hoodies, shirts, none of that shit. As long as I get the word out, the importance of the consumptions, the mental, the spiritual, the physical consumptions, how you eating, how you thinking, what you believing in. If I'm really pushing that and getting my point across when it comes to that shit, I feel good. My goal is complete with that shit. Not to make $1 million, not to have 1 million followers, none of that shit. No materialistic is like, nothing materialistic is a part of my goal. Like, you know what I'm saying? My shit is to really start a revolution with this shit, bro. No funny shit. Again, the world doesn't need another overpriced garment. Doesn't need another brand trying to extort the people, take advantage of the people. You know what I'm saying? We need another brand out here with a real character, you know what I mean? Like, really what's more thorough than really paying attention and showing the importance of your consumptions, what you thinking, what you eating, how you carrying yourself out here. You know what I mean? Informing people on that shit. You know what I mean? That shit is important, bro. So my goal is to really do something that nobody never done before. Mix the health conscious shit with the drip. You know what I'm saying? With the clothes shit. Yeah, we getting fly. So like, for instance, if somebody that's a part of my following or wants to get a part of the following, I want you to put my shit on and not really look at it as a status symbol for like wealth or materialistic shit. It's for like, oh nah, I got that right shit on my brain. I'm consuming wisely. I'm not just giving my body to anybody. You know what I'm saying? I know my worth is more than money, materialistic stuff. You know what I mean? So ideally, that's my goal, is to empower people to think like that. And when you do grab a hoodie, a hat, whatever I drop, for you to think like that. You know what I mean? Like, okay, I'm consuming wisely today. Even when I take it off, I'm still consuming wisely. Like, that's what I'm about. It's not about, oh, how much money I got, how many bitches I done fucked, or, you know what I'm saying, what I'm doing, how I'm rocking it, whatever. It's about how I'm thinking, how I'm carrying myself, you know what I mean? How I'm treating others, how I want to be treated, you know what I mean? Being a regular, decent human being, showing love. There's not enough love out here. Everybody on hate time, everybody on beef time, everybody on that nowadays, and they done popularized that to where as though everybody in tour with each other for no reason, for real. Niggas don't know how they be beefing, other than the hood block shit. Niggas just in tour with motherfuckers they done never met. Like, all these internet beefs and all that shit is crazy to me, because it be people you don't even know, bruh. There's not enough love being promoted, bruh. And you can't love nobody till you really love yourself. I'm really heavy on promoting self-love, man. That shit is important. You gotta love yourself, bro. If you don't love yourself, you can't love nobody else, bro. You know what I mean? Peace.
Yeah. I was gonna ask you where you got it from. What you mean don't worry about it? Where you get it from? Huh? What? Where did you get it? Where did you get the beanie? No. Fuck out of here. It's not a picture, it's a video.
I'm looking sweet, yeah. I'm looking dumb sweet. You got
first
that
one.
shit? Alright, cool, dang. I'm looking dumb sweet.
The first one.
The first
Like,
one,
no.
I'm not looking sweet. Oh, I'm looking dumb. Yeah. It's all good, I ain't tripping.
No, you look. You chillin'.
I'm gonna do the joint with just getting all this shit. So
Okay.
what should I get?
You tell us. Supposed to be getting bad stuff or good stuff? My fault. You said go this way.
Oh, my fault.
You just doing shit. Greedy. I'm off on.
You got it. tree pop. Right here, though. Yeah, it worked. The lights in the front. Get them calls from me one time on the beach. Yeah. No, get them cold actually.
You sure?
See, yeah, I want to see this. I don't think it's cool. Let me make it
Okay.
I like the purple. The purple look, it looks sweet, no coat. Cool. Yeah, I like the purple. Cause I like always
Meanwhile.